Hello students, welcome to our channel Success Achievers. We solve one question from NEET 2025. Given that there are two inclined surfaces of equal length and same angle of inclination 45 degree with the horizontal. One of them is rough and the other is perfectly smooth. A given body takes 2 times as much time to slide down on rough surface than on the smooth surface. The coefficient of kinetic friction between the object and the rough surface is close to. So what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the coefficient of kinetic friction. Okay, time is taking 2 times. So suppose the smooth surface, for a smooth surface time is t, then for rough surface time will be 2t. So let us see. First we'll draw for a smooth surface. So angle is 45 degree, length is L. This is the length, capital L I am taking. Angle is 45 degree. And another is rough surface. So for a smooth surface, you will see one object is here. Now it is sliding. So how many forces are there? Only gravitational force. One component will be mg sine theta. Okay. Then acceleration along the inclined plane is F is equal to mg sine theta and acceleration equal to g sine theta. Okay. Length L is equal to, initially it is at rest, then L equal to, or distance travel equal to ut plus half of at square we can write, and there E is equal to g sine theta. So here we are considering the distance is L, then u initial velocity is 0, half of a, so that is acceleration is g sine theta into time t square. On the other hand, here if the object is, then it will experience downward direction force mg sine theta, and this way force will be mg cos theta, and normal reaction is exactly opposite direction, and then frictional force will be, kinetic frictional force is Fk, opposite direction. So net force, so kinetic friction is equal to, we can say first of all normal reaction is equal to mg cos theta, and Fk is equal to mu times n, and that is mu k times, here I can write k, mg cos theta. The net force is equal to mass into acceleration. Then net force is equal to acceleration due to gravity or force due to gravity, component of the force, mg sine theta, minus friction is mu k mg cos theta equal to m into a. Then acceleration you are getting is equal to g common sine theta minus mu cos theta. Okay. Now we have to solve. Acceleration we got, then L is equal to half of acceleration is a is equal to g sine theta minus mu k cos theta, and time is 2t. Here time is 2t whole square. Then equation 1, suppose this is equation 2, will equate them, then you will get half of g sine theta t square is equal to 1 by 2 g sine theta minus mu k cos theta into 4t square. So here we are getting t square cancelled out, g cancelled out, 1 by 2 cancelled out. So the sine theta equal to sine 4 times sine theta minus 4 times mu k cos theta, or we can say 4 mu k cos theta is equal to 3 sin theta, and mu k is equal to 3 by 4 tan theta, and theta already given 45 degree. That means mu k is equal to 3 by 4 tan theta, tan 45 degree value is 1, so we can say mu k is equal to 0.75. so that's your answer. Let's check the option. So we'll get fourth option. We are getting fourth option. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.